Hi, I'm Jacob. I'm a communications major in my junior year. I'm originally from Southern California, but have been traveling across the country for the past couple months. I recently turned 22 and have worked for an environmental consultant company in California for the past 5 years. I'm a motivated and driven professional that strives to grow in the company. In my career, I started as a laborer and earned my job as an environmental inspector within my 2 years. I'm eager to learn and constantly developing as a regional manager currently. I enjoy helping my coworkers because I want them to strive for their best opportunity. I'm patient but driven and enjoy staying busy as I travel California from site to site to make sure I'm holding my company to the best and highest standard.